Greetings and welcome to my Nmap course. Let me give you a quick introduction as to who I am if you don't know already. My name is Nathan House and I'm the CEO and founder of the cybersecurity company Station X, and I'll be your instructor throughout this comprehensive Nmap course. I have over 24 years experience in cybersecurity and have advised many of the largest companies in the world. I've assured the security on multi-million and even multi-billion pound projects. I provided security guidance to companies such as Vodafone, BP, Visa, the London 2012 Olympics, and a number of banks and financial institutions, plus many other companies. I was a security lead on a number of the UK mobile banking apps, so if you live in the UK, you may well have an app on your phone that I have helped secure. I have many security qualifications, including CISP, CISM, CISA, SCF, among others. Over the years, I've spoken at a number of conferences, developed free security tools, and discovered serious security vulnerabilities in leading applications. As a security educator, I have sold over 50,000 courses, which are all highly reviewed and excellently rated. I have a popular cybersecurity blog, and I currently have over 60,000 active Twitter followers who listen to my advice. So in theory, I should know what I'm talking about when it comes to network security, ethical hacking, cybersecurity, unless I've just been getting away with it all of these years. It's never been more important than it is today to maintain good security, and a tool like Nmap helps in that task. I'm extremely passionate about helping you learn and achieve your goals, and I'm very excited to be here to teach you. If you have any questions, please just ask. I'm here to help.